Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 5. Study the pattern. The pattern is 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 12 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 98, 1 to 3 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 987. Next was 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 is 9876. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 98765. How to see the pattern? You see the pattern this one. This is 1. After that it is 2. After that it is 3. It is that after 3 it is 4. After that it is 5. Therefore, the next number will be obviously plus 6. Right? The next number will be plus 6. And after this number it will be plus 7. Right? We got this pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Next you see this pattern 1 into 8 plus 1. This pattern into 8. That means we have to multiply all this number into 8 into 8. This is also into 8. Right? Now see this pattern. This is multiplied by 8. This is also multiplied by 8. This is also multiplied by 8. This is also multiplied by 8. And this number is also multiplied by 8. This number is also multiplied by 8. And the next number will be also multiplied by 8. Right? Now you see this pattern. 1. The first one is 1. After that 1, 2. After that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After that it is 1, 2, 3, 4. After that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the next number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the next number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we will get this number. Here you see this number is 9. After that 9, 8. 8 means 9 minus 1, that is 8. After that 9, 8 minus 1, that is 9, 8, 7. After that number is 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. After that 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 1 less 5. Therefore next number will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 1 less, that is 4. And this number will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1 less, that is 3. Now we got the pattern like this. Again I am repeating once again. Here the question is write the next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? Again I am telling. You see the first step is 1. After that plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Therefore the next number will be plus 6. And after that it will be plus 7. Right? Now you see this pattern. 1 into 8. Right? The second one is 1, 2 into 8. You see this number is 8. All are multiplied by 8. You see this one is multiplied by 8. This one is, therefore this number will be multiplied by 8 and this number is multiplied by 8. Now you see this pattern. 1 into 8. First one is 1. Next one is 1, 2 into 8. Next is 1, 2, 3 into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8. Therefore the next number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8. And that next number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8. Right? Now you get the answer. What is the answer? First one is the answer is 9. After that the pattern is 9, 1 less, that is 8. After that 9, 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7, that is 9, 8, 7. Here you see 9, 8, 7. After that it is 6. Now 9, 8, 7, 6. 6 minus 1, that is 5. And here you can write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 1 less, that is 4. Here it is also 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This is the solution of question number 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.